Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every week. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another delicious kakanin, the PICHI PICHI. PICHI PICHI is made from cassava, coconut milk, or evaporated milk, sugar, and of course the lye water. How do you choose your cassava? Cassava should be creamy white in color. You choose the big tubers. Don't choose the ones with black thin lines. And when you open it, you remove the thick white vein at the center. And then you wash it again and grate it. And that's a grated cassava like this. Before, I used to make PICHI PICHI with just two colors, the white and the green color, the Pandan flavor. But today, I'm going to teach you 6 different colors, 6 different flavors. So, let's start. What are the ingredients? The basic ingredients are only for 1 cup of grated cassava, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of liquid or the evaporated milk. That's the basic ingredient, plus 1/4 teaspoon of lye water. And then we add the flavoring. So, let's start. We start with 3 colors. With these 3 colors, we're going to use 2 cups of cassava, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of pandan water, 1/2 teaspoon of lye water. We're going to process this in the blender so it will become fine and smooth. We're going to divide this mixture into 3. So we have 3 colors. We're going to use the blender again for the yellow color. Going to add the Langka for the Langka flavor. Okay. And then Langka flavor, just a drop for more yellow color, and then another one, the yellow food color, just few drops, and process this again. There. Yellow. The yellow color. The pandan. The green. Just add this pandan. The green color. There. Okay. The other one is strawberry. Strawberry flavor. I'm going to add strawberry flavor. Few drops of red color. going to mix the ube and the melon. Going to divide this into two. 1 cup of cassava. Cup of sugar. Then we're going to divide this into two. Flavoring for ube. 1/4 cup of ube halaya. Actually, you can just use ube flavoring. You can just use this. Instead of the ube halaya. 1/2 teaspoon. There. For the melon flavor, this is half of the ube. I'm going to add melon flavor. A little of the red and the yellow. For the white flavor, Macapuno for the white color. And then 1/2 coconut milk. We will just add 1/4. 1/4. We're going to add 1/4 evaporated milk. And then the Macapuno. Sugar. 1/2 cup of sugar. And the lye water. So we have 6 colors. The Macapuno, the melon, the ube, the langka, the strawberry, and the pandan. Okay. So we have 6 colors of Pichi Pichi. So we're going to make this first. Start with pink. I'm going to use flowers. going to steam this for 20 minutes, or less 20 minutes. For the ube pichi pichi and the Macapuno pichi pichi. And then the Macapuno. There you have it, my pichi pichi. So pretty and so delicious. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!